JavaScript join method is used to create a new string from a given array by joining all array items with a custom glue. I have created a simple example to demonstrate the most common use cases of join method. You can call join method without providing any arguments, and it will use commas to join all array items. Whatever you provide as the first argument of join method, it will be used as a glue to join every item in an array. I used some of the most common glues like dash, empty string, a space, a tab, and even a new line. I also printed out names array after doing all the joins to show that join method does not mutate the original array. Our names array stayed the same. You should use join method whenever you have an array of items and you want to convert them into a string.